Okay, I just sliced this. I was hoping for a little, I was hoping for, I'll just say 400,000, that's 10 millimeters. Again, you can see just absolutely how gorgeous this turquoise is. I basically decided how thick I wanted it to be. Used my calipers. See if I can get this in the picture. I don't think I can. Anyway, I used my calipers to figure out roughly where I wanted to cut in. I wish I could get these calipers in the picture. Maybe I can. Anyway, this is just under a half inch, 5/100 a half inch. I got a pretty straight cut for being a freehander. I mean, we're showing 2/1000 of an inch freehand. Anyway, what I'll do next is I'm gonna clean this face off some so I can get an idea of where the top of this, or one of the sides of this bead is going to be. I may end up slicing it a little bit thinner. I just need to come to some decisions. As you're seeing, when you make beads out of especially gem material, if you're going for gem, you're going to have tons of waste. When I used to make strands of beads, I'll just use opal. I used to make a lot of strands of opal beads. My typical loss on a strand, starting weight to finishing weight, I'd have an 80% loss. And then people would wonder why some of my opal strands were quite expensive, and I also paid a lot of money for the rough. Anyway, I'm going to go over there and do a little bit more snooping and scratching my head and figuring out exactly what I want to do. I think I'll get it cut down relatively close to my finished blank. So I'll be back.